Good morning, YouTubers, loyal subscribers, World Wide Web. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Marlon Bennett, guys. I'm the original student of the game of internet marketing. I'm that guy that's always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things I never knew, and I'm always sharing with future aspiring entrepreneurs, digital and internet or direct mail marketers. Guys, welcome, guys, to another video for me here on YouTube, guys. We're gonna go back inside the #1 rated funnel building software in the world, as far as I'm concerned. It's the HBA Funnel Builder, guys. And so I'm gonna knock a couple of things off. I'm gonna kind of kill a few birds with one stone in this video, but I want you guys to see something. And among other things, guys, we're gonna talk a little bit about attrition, right? Attrition is very rampant in the affiliate marketing, home-based business arena, if you will. And attrition is rampant because what happens is whenever we get involved in a business opportunity or a program or a product we want to market and promote, and we get into it, and if we don't see a profit fast enough, most people are going to quit. Right? They're just going to quit. And not because they don't really want to do it, but sometimes if you're not making profits fast enough and you're spending way more money than you're making, you're just going to stop. You're going to quit. And so the attrition rate is running rampant because a lot of people, they start their own, whether it's, affiliate marketing, you want to learn how to make money from affiliate marketing, whether you want to start your own business, whether it doesn't matter when it comes to working from home making money. If you're not making money fast enough, if you don't get into profit fast enough, you're just going to quit. Now, what I want to talk about, right, this opposite of attrition is waiting around long enough for the miracle to happen, guys, okay? Because it will, but you got to be smart about it, and you got to be smart about what you do. That's why I talk about strategically positioning ourselves in front of the right audience and then having reliable, scalable traffic that you can use. Just not going to cost you pennies on the dollar, and then you can start to see the fruit of your labor without breaking the bank, if that makes any sense, right? So when it comes to attrition, I understand. Many things I've started and I've stopped, but I'm an entrepreneur, guys, okay? And go on and own it, right? Go on, guys, and own it, right? You got to own it if you want it. And that's what we're talking. We're talking about entrepreneurs, okay? So, guys, let's get back. I'm kind of going to pick up on what I was talking about yesterday. I want to tell you guys something. We're talking about the HBA Funnel Builder again. And before I go any further, let me go ahead on and congratulate Ademola. That's Ademola. Wow. I can hardly pronounce the name. And for coming into Instant Recall, by the way. That's Ademola. And, of course, Keith for picking up the HBA Funnel Builder. Big props to both of you guys. Hopefully, Keith, I know you're watching whenever you get a chance. But, guys, I hope you guys are watching these videos. You guys coming onto the teams, right? I hope I hope you guys are watching these videos. I'm sending them. I'm gonna start because I've really been behind in terms of sending the emails to you guys, but I'm gonna do it because I really want you guys to be locked into this so that you will know where to go. Now, by the way, special note: when we talk about the HBA Funnel Builder, guys, everything I'm showing you guys, there are video tutorials that walks you through all of the things that I'm showing you guys. Mike Hobbs does most of that training, and he's great. So I'm not going to go through every single little thing. Just understand when you got the HBA Funnel Builder, you can do whatever you want to do. You can create a skill set that can pay you for the rest of your life. Whether it's starting your own, really just starting your own business, whether it's just to promote, become an affiliate marketer, promote clickbank products, for JVs, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Now, I'm here today to talk about, we talk about all the benefits of having a software like the HBA Funnel Builder. And I said you guys could create multiple capture pages, multiple bridge pages, right? Video sales letters, video thank you pages, video bridge page. I mean, really, guys, I could go on and on and on about what you can do. But just yesterday, guys, just to let you guys know, I created yet another page. And it took me 5 minutes to do it. I'm going to show it to you guys. Okay? Again, a product of the HBA Funnel Builder, right? A simple click of my mouse and voila, guys. I'm able to create pages like this on the fly anytime I want to market and promote anything that I want. And you can do it too, right? Same thing, guys. You got the software. You're in control. You have the kings of the kingdom. You don't have to worry about getting to the door and then we're finding out you forgot the key, right? You got the key, right? So anyway, so we were talking, guys, yesterday, right? This is just another page. I don't know if I'm going to actually, I'm thinking about having it redirected from the other capture pages because I actually have now 2 versions of this. This is a simpler version where I can add you guys information right here from the page. You know what I mean? I can give you guys this page and you can go out and it will have all of your instant recall information on here like it has mine, right? And so voila, you're off to the races, guys, because the page will be your page. I don't want to get too crazy, guys, because in a little while I'll be doing a lot of pages, and right now I can do it in no time flat. I don't want to have all these different versions, but I'm just letting you guys know that I'm pretty sure I'm going to make this version available too because I like it. It's simple, and then of course I'll redirect people when they do join as team members to the training because there's that other page. Let's look at it. This page actually has all the training built inside, so you'll have some options. Okay. I don't know when I'm going to start doing that, but I know I am going to be doing it. Right now, guys, here's the page that everybody gets when they join Instant Recall. And, you guys know what's going on there with all the different bonuses you got tied in. I'm not going to go through all of that today, right? But what I will talk about today, guys, is the fact that when you start using the HBA Funnel Builder, I told you guys that you wanted to stay relevant, right? Because you're building a list as you're driving traffic into your automated marketing systems. And I said you wanted to stay up close and personal, sort of. You wanted to stay familiar. You wanted to stay relevant, right? And so the way we do that and what we're going to be talking about, particularly in this video, what the takeaway I want you guys to be is I talk about automating the entire process. And so you do that through email, right? You do that through email. And so today I'm going to show you guys an example of following up, right? Staying relevant, right? Staying familiar with your list. I just pulled up my email autoresponder, and so I like this because I want you guys to watch this. And this is just one of the emails that I wrote up. I'm going to show you guys how this works, right? And I'm going to send it because that's another thing you can do when you have your own contact management system. I'm going to send myself a test message, okay? So here I am. I'm going to send myself a test message, right, to my email inbox because I want you guys to see this email. And when you're watching that email, I want you guys to keep this page in mind, okay? So let's run over to my email. And before we go check my email, I'll get that in a minute to come. I want to show you guys when we talk about the attrition, why you want to stay around long enough for the miracle to happen, okay? Because I've got a traffic source. Right now, the only traffic source I'm using, guys, that's generating leads for me every day. I know you guys keep hearing me say that. You're like, yeah, right. They're generating leads every day. It's not costing me but pennies on the dollar. Let me show you guys. I'm going to go over to my email inbox and show you guys again because I know a lot of you guys may listen. Guys, these leads continue to come in. This is today, guys. Today's date is March 10th, 2022, and this is approximately 8:30 in the morning here on the East Coast in the wonderful state of Maryland, Gaithersburg, right? And guys, look, so the leads, I keep showing you guys these little, but I'm just telling you that the leads just continue to flow in. This is page 1 through 20. I'm going to go over through pages 21 to 40. I promise you guys, I can do this all the way back to December since I've tapped into this traffic source. The leads come in every day, not just every day, guys, all day. Not just every day, all day. Why do I like automated marketing systems? I told you guys the other day, they do everything for me. All the presenting, all the closing, everything. I simply drive traffic. You guys see this. This is traffic going into multiple systems that I built. And guys, I told you guys in another video, I've made money out of all the systems that I'm sending this traffic to except one. I've yet to monetize one, and I'm still doing some testing. I'm still doing some tweaking, and I'm going to test and tweak that out until I am. Okay, so now, guys, I told you guys to pay special attention to this particular page because I said we want to stay relevant, we want to stay up close and personal, we want to stay familiar. So we talked about the email follow-up because I sent myself an actual test email. Like, I'm going to go out of here, guys. We're going to be talking more about emails later, right? I'm going to go back to my inbox and I'm going to go up to the top, and you should see that email that I sent myself just now, right? It should be coming. There it goes, guys. Right there. I just sent myself this particular email. And the email title is "You'll Fall in Love All Over Again." You will fall in love all over again. Let's click that email that I wrote up, and let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So in my email, right, that I'm sending people that are coming onto my list, because I said we wanted to stay relevant, right? And so this is how we do it, right? And in the email, I said, remember the very first time you fell in love? Well, no matter how long ago it's been, after watching this, you're going to fall in love for the very first time all over again, right? And so, of course, the prospect can click if they so desire, and I will take them, guys, back to my instant recall replicated website, right? We're staying relevant. We're staying familiar. We're staying in contact, right? We're corresponding with the people that are coming onto our list. I know that makes sense, guys, because I couldn't have made it no simpler than that. I'm actually proud of myself because I'm usually all over the place when it comes to that, right? I'll go all the way around to make a simple point. But you guys kind of get where I'm going, right? So you got your automated marketing systems. You're driving traffic into them, and it works like gangbusters. In fact, well, I went out of the email. I'm going to show you guys an even cooler email. But anyway, so now I'm going to do an email, guys. I want to write up an email in one of these videos just show you guys how simple and easy it is to go inside of your contact management system and write up your first email. Because your first email, then you can start setting up what's known as an email campaign, because you'll write a second email and a third email. And preferably you'll have a series of somewhere between 7 and 15 emails that's initially going out to your list. And remember, you don't have to really have more than that, but some people automate their actual systems all the way for a whole year, guys, an entire year. I mean, you go in, you write up 2 or 3 emails a week in a year. I mean, who knows how many emails you have, and you don't just have to promote that one thing. Remember, you can do the broadcast. Remember, you can do the email blast, right? Remember, you can segment, you can create different lists, right? The keys to the kingdom, right? You know what I mean? You can set these automated marketing systems off. Boom. You got them working for you guys all over the place. And so, yes, it's very, very exciting. It's a great time to be in a place, in a space where you're ready and you are willing, capable, and able of learning and creating a skill set that can pay you for the rest of your life. You can do that with the HBA Funnel Builder, guys. No more wandering, right? Going out, trying to promote one product after another, because I've done it, right? And it's really frustrating, actually, because you see internet marketers and they promoting one thing, and then next week they're telling you they're promoting something else. I've done it as well. In fact, I'm working on 3 other projects right now that's gonna knock this right out. This is cool, but you guys ain't seen nothing yet. I just dropped about $800 into something new, and I've been watching it, and I'm gonna, that's gonna be, that's just gonna change the entire game. Right? We're talking about the $100 days marketing systems, guys. Okay, you guys are gonna love what you're about to see. But anyway, wow, I lost my train of thought. So here's the point. You create your own automated marketing systems. You drive traffic into them, right? You got traffic that you're not paying pennies on the dollar for. So now the attrition rate, where you're concerned, and hopefully people you're bringing into the teams and into whatever you're doing, will stay, because you'll be able to tell them people and redirect those people to the exact same traffic, right? And it's never going to be oversaturated like some little traffic sources you hear about. This is never going to be oversaturated. I'm surprised every day, guys. I mean, but now I'm talking about the big banner ads marketing strategy. I mean, I'm using the same banners, guys. Do you guys understand that? I only got 4 banners that I use, and those banners produce over and over and over again. I showed you guys that. You guys saw that, right? You saw how the people are coming into the systems. They're coming into the systems. You wait around long enough, guys. You continue to correspond and stay familiar. People coming into nobody who sees something for the very first time. Let me just say this before I close the video out. Hardly anybody who sees something the very first time takes action on it. Hardly ever. Do you do it? Right? My wife does it, but she's a shopaholic. That's another story. In fact, that's a story I'm going to tell you guys later in another video. But here's the thing. Most people don't. They just won't buy the first time. Right? It's like McDonald's, guys. You're driving around. You got the kids in the back of the car. I don't have any little kids anymore. My youngest baby girl is 25 now. But I'm just saying, when they were small, and you're driving around sometime your own self, and you keep seeing those golden arches, right? But you're driving. Then you see the golden arches again. but you're driving. By the third time you see the Golden Arches, guys, you pulling into the McDonald's drive-thru, right? To get yourself a Big Mac. Well, like myself, right? What do they call that thing? My daughter like them. The Oreo thing. It's really good, right? I can't think of the name of it. But anyway, that's subliminal marketing, right? You might not even be hungry, but you pull in anyway, right? And your kids, they're going to, they'll drive you crazy. Them Golden Arches ain't no joke. So here's the thing. So subliminal marketing, it occurs many ways. People keep saying something over and over again. They're already interested in it anyway. We're already going to be strategically positioning in front of ourselves, in front of people who are looking for something to make money with. How do I know that? How do I know that? Because they wouldn't click the banners if they weren't. Right? They wouldn't click the banners if they weren't. If they weren't interested in what they're seeing. And let me see, can I pull this up, guys? We gotta look at this real quick. I want to go to the banners real quick, and I swear I'm gonna close this video out. Where is it? The big banner ad marketing strategy. Let's go there, guys. I'm gonna click there because that's something you guys would have instant access to, right? So, and you can do all this stuff from one page, by the way, guys. 4 banners. I did add the lead lightning banner the other day because it needs to be in there because we're talking about using that capture page. But these are only banners I'm using. Why am I saying that? Because it's just 4 banners that's driving massive traffic across all these different platforms. People are clicking them. If they weren't curious about what was on the other side, they would not click the banner. So once we start building our list using this particular traffic source, we're going to get to test, right? And we're going to get to tweak our campaigns and test them, and then we can scale them. Because here's the thing. When you see what's getting the most results, then you just simply eliminate the negative and accentuate the positive, right? You see where your leads are coming in. Most of them are coming in, right? You see where you're going to get most of your sales and signups. That's the campaign you scale up. And the ones that don't perform so well, you scale down. You can change the links out. You can stop these campaigns anytime you want. You can literally start, for really pennies on the dollar. Okay, but I'm really not going to get into that, guys. I've gone long enough. So, guys, what are you waiting for, right? There's never been a time to start unlocking another version of yourself. There's never been a better time, right, to start speaking your own success into existence. There's never been a better time, right, to step into whatever it is you want to do, right? Whatever it is you want to do. And again, I got some stuff coming up now, really cool stuff. And here's the cool thing. Doesn't matter what I'm talking about marketing, promoting. If you use these techniques, if you use these tactics, if you use these strategies, right? We're talking about list building. We're talking about the list building lifestyle. Honestly, closing out. But I did say the other day, I said I could do what I do in